Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to send virtual birthday card, and this is actually very easy, and the best part, it's completely free. Head over to greetingsisland.com and then you see birthday. So if it's a kid, if it's a girl, if it's a boy, or let's say we click on view all birthday to see, as you can see they have 871 designs, so you can basically choose from whichever one you want. This one seems very cute, so we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to click on customize right over here. So now let it load up. As you can see at the top there's like add sticker or add image, so this is like very happy birthday. Let's say we click on edit inside, so wishing you, you can see you can like choose what color you want to. Basically there's a bunch to choose from here. You could also like head over and play with it, see which one you like the most. And then what you can do is see the next one. You could like enter texts, and then you could add a photo and then enter any text of your own, and then you click on next, and you can either print it or just click on share. And let's say you can do it like either via email or like WhatsApp, Facebook, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.